Can you feel more than one thing at a time? Namaste everyone, my name is Vasudha Talware and welcome to the day 15 of the 22 days challenge of Raise Your Vibrations with me. And today's day is all about focusing on positive aspects. Many a times, in fact most times, we are introduced to life, to situations, to people with a backhand saying, hey, beware, is something that you need to watch out for. May it be a new city you are going to, maybe a new home you're settling in and the surrounding, the neighborhood that you warned about, maybe a place, a certain locality you warned about, maybe a certain diet you warned about. Something or the other, somebody says that, hey, watch out. And that is where all our energy gets focused and we forget about all the positive aspects of the many things we introduced to. Be it the person, be it the situation, be it the company, be it the politicians, be it the lifestyle we are living, or the food that we're eating, or whatever it is that we're introduced to. So people mostly are focused on the negative aspect. Here is where we are going to train ourselves to focus on the positive aspects. You cannot feel more than one thing at a time. So you cannot feel good about something and at the same time feel bad also about that same thing. You can feel only one feeling, and we are going to train ourselves to feel good. We are going to feel good. Raise our vibration. So your mantra from today is going to be that if it feels good, I'm going to give it all my attention. And if it doesn't feel good, I'm going to not even look at it. Does that make sense? Take any example in your current life. If something, somebody makes you feel good, focus on that. If something, somebody doesn't make you feel good, just don't focus on it. Now some of you will wonder, how can I ignore something and focus on only this? Shouldn't I be focusing on everything in my life, like addressing all the issues that may pop up? Of course, we're not talking about you addressing issues that might pop up, but you are only going to become a selective sifter. Somebody who's going to choose very, very consciously where your energy that you create with all your massive morning, evening, daily practices, all your amazing positive thinking, that energy you're going to focus on the good stuff, not on the stuff that is not allowing you to feel good. That's all. You're only becoming wiser in allowing only that which vibrates higher and helps you vibrate higher. Isn't this entire series about that? And you're going to do this because whatever you're thinking, imagining, entertaining, regurgitating, digesting, processing, holding in your memory, holding in your system, your body becomes your reality. So if you are focusing on the bad thoughts, the bad emotions and feelings, that is going to become your reality. That's how you're also going to start looking. You're going to start looking the part. And similarly, if you're going to focus on all the good stuff, the good vibrations, the good feelings, you're going to start looking that part. Choose wisely is all I'm going to say. You can and will create anything you give your attention to. Hope this video has helped you in understanding what your positive aspect should look like. So grab a book, the same book we have for creating other stuff, and start writing the positive aspects of your life. Note down everything that's working for you. For example, you're in a city and people are praising the city and warning you, oh, you know what, avoid going in that lane because there's a huge pothole over there. And all you're thinking of is avoid pothole, avoid pothole. You know what, the next thing you are going to end up in a pothole. Therefore, write down all the positive aspects of your life and see how you feel. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please click on the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon to know every time I come up with a new video. Thank you. Love you. Mwah.